If we are responsible, the future will be good for the future generations. Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, BNSS, 2023. Chapter XXVII, Submission of Death Sentences for Confirmation, Sections 336 to 337. Chapter 28 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, BNSS, 2023, details the legal procedures and requirements for the confirmation of death sentences by higher courts. Sections 336 and 337 ensure that death sentences, given their irreversible nature, undergo rigorous judicial scrutiny before execution. This chapter highlights the importance of a thorough review process to uphold justice and safeguard the rights of the accused. Section 336, Sentence of death to be confirmed by High Court. Section 336 mandates that any sentence of death passed by a court of session must be submitted to the High Court for confirmation. This provision ensures that death sentences are not carried out without the oversight and approval of a higher judicial authority. Key points. Mandatory confirmation. Death sentences passed by lower courts must be reviewed and confirmed by the High Court. Judicial review. The High Court reviews the case, including the trial court's judgment, evidence, and proceedings. This section ensures that death sentences are subjected to a higher level of judicial scrutiny, providing a safeguard against wrongful executions. Section 337, Procedure for Confirmation of Death Sentence. Section 337 outlines the specific procedure for the High Court to follow when confirming a death sentence. This includes a thorough examination of the case records, hearing arguments from both the prosecution and the defense, and ensuring that all legal requirements have been met. Key points. Case record examination. The High Court reviews the complete case record, including the trial court's judgment and evidence. Hearing arguments. Both the prosecution and the defense are given the opportunity to present their arguments before the High Court. Legal compliance. The High Court ensures that all legal procedures and requirements have been duly followed during the trial. This section provides a detailed and structured framework for the High Court's review process, ensuring a comprehensive and fair evaluation of the death sentence. Detailed breakdown. Submission and review process. Upon passing a death sentence, the Court of Session must submit the case to the High Court. This submission includes the trial court's judgment, evidence, and all relevant documents. The High Court then undertakes a detailed review of the case. This review is critical to ensure that the sentence is justified and that there were no errors in the legal process. Key points. Submission by lower court. The trial court submits the case for review. Document review. The High Court examines all documents and evidence. Hearing arguments. The High Court conducts a hearing where both the prosecution and the defense can present their arguments. This hearing is crucial as it allows for the re-examination of the case from multiple perspectives. The defense can raise any issues or errors that might have occurred during the trial, while the prosecution can argue in favor of upholding the death sentence. Key points. Opportunity for defense. The defense can highlight any errors or injustices in the trial. Prosecution's case. The prosecution argues for the confirmation of the sentence. Ensuring legal compliance. The High Court must ensure that all legal procedures were followed correctly during the trial. This includes verifying that the rights of the accused were upheld, the evidence was properly considered, and the judgment was based on sound legal principles. Any deviation from the legal norms can be grounds for overturning the death sentence or ordering a retrial. Key points. Rights of the accused ensures that the trial was fair and just. Evidence and legal principles confirms that the judgment was legally sound. Importance of confirmation process. The confirmation process serves as a critical check against the miscarriage of justice. Given the irreversible nature of the death penalty, this process is designed to prevent wrongful executions and ensure that the highest standards of judicial scrutiny are applied. Key points. Preventing miscarriages of justice. ensures no wrongful executions. Underscore high standards of scrutiny, applies rigorous judicial review. Summary. Chapter 28 of the BNSS, 2023, underscores the importance of rigorous judicial review in cases involving the death penalty. Sections 336 and 337 provide a comprehensive framework for the submission and confirmation of death sentences by the High Court. By mandating a thorough review of case records, hearing arguments from both sides, and ensuring compliance with legal procedures, this chapter safeguards against wrongful executions and upholds the principles of justice. The confirmation process is essential to maintain public confidence in the judicial system and to protect the rights of the accused in the most serious of cases. Stay informed. Live in comfort.